Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pork tenderloin in air fryer. Remove silver skin, pat the meat dry, and apply your chosen rub evenly. Let the tenderloin rest at room temperature for 15 to 30 minutes while you preheat the air fryer to 400 degrees F. Use a light coating of oil to help browning, and avoid overcrowding so air can circulate for even crisping and color. Place the tenderloin in the preheated basket and cook for an initial 10 to 12 minutes, flipping halfway for even browning. Check the thickest part with a meat thermometer aiming for 145 degrees F for safe, juicy results. If needed, return to the air fryer in 2 to 3 minute bursts until done. Let the pork rest for at least 5 minutes so juices redistribute before slicing into medallions. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They stay comfortable while you prep, sear, and slice, and they won't distract you during a perfect rest period. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. After resting and slicing, use the fond or a quick pan sauce to add flavor, like butter, balsamic, and a touch of mustard. Pair the tenderloin with roasted vegetables, mashed potatoes, or a crisp salad for contrast. Keep sauces simple to highlight the pork, and sprinkle fresh herbs or a squeeze of lemon for brightness. Serve immediately while warm and juicy, and offer gravy or mustard on the side for guests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.